Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of CPW Steel Construction, myself, Kyle Payne, and my business associates, Zikun Wu and Jason Cook, would like to take a few minutes of your time to cover the contents of our recently proposed bid and construction plan for the steel scope of work regarding the NAU Dining Hall expansion, the Point Project. Before we delve into the contents of our bid and proposed plan, we would like to go ahead and share a little bit about our company's culture and humble beginnings. CPW Steel Construction was founded in 2001 in Phoenix, Arizona. We spent the first 6 years of our company's existence focusing on projects in the valley and assembling a wide array of knowledge regarding steel erection processes. Out of a desire to have a greater influence in the northern Arizona area, we expanded to Flagstaff in 2007, bringing our knowledge with us, and have enjoyed a steady stream of work ever since. Mission statement for our company is build it right, build it once. We believe that each member of our team embodies this value, and that each member plays a direct role in customer satisfaction regardless of position within the company. We also believe that proper performance and planning on CPW's part plays a direct role in how smooth the project runs. Our company currently employs 150 employees throughout the state, and as mentioned earlier, we have 2 offices located in Phoenix and Flagstaff. However, each office is fully functional and independent with its own estimating, procurement, and project management departments. What this means for you is that you will never have to worry about coming down to Phoenix for owners' meetings or corresponding with any of our members in our Phoenix office. Our Flagstaff office is located 5 miles from campus, providing a local and efficient system for communication on this project. At CPW, we also embody a very high safety culture. In 2016, we recorded an EMR rating of 0.64, which is phenomenal for the industry. We also have what we call an active safety culture in place. CPW currently employs 10 full-time safety professionals who are degreed that spend their time going to job sites each day and enforcing safety codes and ensuring a safety culture is in place on each one. One of these members will be present on our job site here in Flagstaff every day throughout the duration of the project. As mentioned earlier, CPW Construction has completed many buildings throughout the state. However, one of the areas that we focus on most heavily is education. This library complex completed for University of Arizona had a steel contract cost originally of $1,152,854. However, over the duration of our time on the project, we were able to bring that final cost down to $1,055,625, providing a total cost savings for the university of $97,229 overall. This building was located in a high-profile location on campus, so we have experience working in confined spaces and intermingling with the student population. We worked closely with campus administration throughout the project to ensure that our construction process was as least disruptive as possible for members of the university staff and its student population. For the NAU Dining Hall expansion, the total structural steel quantity based on the initial takeoff is 171.09 tons of structural steel. This results in a total cost of structural steel of $483,619.10. The total metal decking steel based on takeoffs of floor 2 and the roof comes to 24,999 square feet, resulting in a total cost for this system of $70,170.19. The total cost to complete the steel scope of work for this structure comes to $553,789.29. The total steel construction time frame is currently at 135 days based on our initial schedule. However, it is worth noting that this is not the full time frame that CPW will be on site. This is from conception of steel erection drawings through completion of the project. The time frame for us being on site based on phase can be seen below. Phase 1 is looking at taking 8.75 days to complete. This will include the southernmost bottom floor system. Phase 2, taking 5.25 days, will be the second story of this southernmost piece of the puzzle. Phase 3, being the bottommost floor of the northernmost part of the system, will take 8.75 days. And Phase 4, completing the system for the second story of the northernmost piece, will only take 2.25 days. A majority of the steel for this project will be provided by Schuff Steel, a local steel fabricator located 11.7 miles from the campus. As we are dealing with a large building and with it large quantities of steel, we will require a material laydown yard to be located on the west side of the University Union building, occupying the parking lot that currently occupies that location. We realize this would be an inconvenience to the university, however it is the most efficient way for us to remain out of sight and out of mind throughout this construction process. We will be receiving steel shipments throughout most of the duration of our steel scope construction. You can see the red line is the truck in route and we have the blue line as the truck out route. The delivery and offloading will take place near the job site. However, it requires that the trucks pass over the university pedway. During times of deliveries, we will have 3 traffic control stations, each with 2 laborers to direct traffic and/or pedestrians. These can be seen on our haul route to the right. During delivery times, we will close down the pedway to eliminate any potential hazards to the university staff and students. However, during times when deliveries are not expected, the pedway will be open for normal use to the public. To the right, we can see our site erection plan. Our job site amenities will be located on the north side of the job site to remain out of work areas. These include our site restrooms, job site trailer, garbage collection, and truck washout. Our project will be completed as mentioned earlier in 4 phases, labeled and denoted by different colors on the plan. 2 site cranes will be used to lift the steel into position throughout the erection process. These cranes will have to be relocated throughout the process, and these locations are denoted by the 80-foot radiuses on the site erection plan. To ensure structural stability throughout the erection process, the structure will be braced according to the construction sequence. These bracing locations can be denoted by the blue dashed lines throughout the structure. Emergency egress to the site is absolutely important to us. We have included emergency locations or entrances to the site on the north and south side of the job site, giving first responders the easiest access to our work location. To keep our job site cleanly and reduce track out onto the university campus, we have implemented traffic grading at both entrances. The material for each day will be brought over at approximately 5 o'clock a.m. at times when the campus is less busy. All of the steel used for a given day will be brought over, erected throughout the day, and the following morning, the next set of steel for the next phase will be brought over accordingly. We greatly appreciate your time and consideration in reviewing these plans and bid analysis with us today, and we greatly hope to be working with you in the near future. Thank you.